Hi everyone, let's see how to install Google Chrome on Mac. First of all, download Google Chrome. Well friends, here you can see launchpad. Click on it and here you can see Safari browser. I need to click on it and using Safari browser, I will download Google Chrome. I'm going to type here Google Chrome. Hit enter, click on this first link and here is the big button, download Chrome. Click on it. Here you can see the file is downloaded. So now open Finder, go to downloads and here you can see Google Chrome.dmz file. Now let's install this. To install Google Chrome, just simply double click on this .dmz file. Now you will see this window. Just simply drag this Google Chrome logo and drop on this folder window. Here it is. Now I'm going to close this and here you can see Google Chrome is copying to the application. It's done. That means we can see Google Chrome browser is here. Now we are going to launch Google Chrome browser. I'm going to close everything, and come over here on the launchpad and I'm going to search for Chrome. Here is the Chrome browser. Just click on it. Click open. And here you can see we could successfully install Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching. Just like this video and hit the subscribe button.